Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to fill PDF forms on a PC without installing any software in 2026. So if you need to complete online forms, applications, or documents quickly, this guide will help you do it step by step. First, right-click your PDF file and open it with Microsoft Edge. It has built-in tools for filling forms. Next, click on any text field and start typing, so you can fill your name, address, or other details easily. Now select checkboxes, radio buttons, or drop-down options if available. I mean, most PDF forms support these features. So if you need a signature, use the draw tool to sign directly on the PDF. This works without any extra software. Next, save the completed form to your PC. Make sure you use Save As so you don't overwrite the original file. Finally, reopen the PDF and check all filled information. So make sure everything is correct before submitting it. And that's how to fill PDF forms on a PC without software in 2026. Once you use built-in tools like Microsoft Edge, completing forms becomes fast and simple. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more PDF tutorials. Hey,